video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant Van 9001 error, a step-by-step guide. What is a Van 9001 error? It usually means Vanguard entity driver is either not running properly or has issues starting up. Restart your PC. Sometimes a simple restart fixes Vanguard startup glitches. Then try to restart Riot Vanguard service. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. Find Riot Vanguard in the list, right-click it, and choose Restart. If it's not running, right-click and select Start. Then try to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open Control Panel, Programs and Features, find Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. Restart your PC. Launch Valorant. It will prompt Vanguard to install automatically. Run Valorant and Riot Vanguard as administrator. Right-click the Valorant shortcut or executable. Select Run as administrator. Do the same for Riot Vanguard in C program files /Riot Vanguard. Then check for Windows updates and drivers. Update Windows to the latest version. Update your graphics and network drivers. Disable conflicting software. Some antivirus or firewall programs can interfere with Vanguard. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall and try launching Valorant. Check system integrity. Open command prompts as admin. Run the command sfc/scannow. This will fix corrupted system files. Then contact Riot Support. Visit Riot Games Support. Submit a ticket with the details of the error and troubleshooting steps tried.